Jaspreet, the founder of the drone data science company WeDoSky. Our journey started back in 2014 when I was still a drone hobbyist and I was looking for avenues to bring this technology to India. Over the last few years, we've flourished into a company that works with large industries in the solar sector, mining sector and in the insurance sector. Our partners, Tata, Adani, ACC, most of the larger companies which you would think would be using drone solutions. Along with that, we've been working with the government, helping them better analyze properties on the ground and bring value to the citizens of the country. I would say that selling is more or less an art. While you could read all about it on the internet, how you are actually able to sell is an art form in itself. More or less like biryani. The recipe on the internet is standardized, but the way a person actually makes the biryani sort of changes everything that's there about the biryani in itself. So selling is similar in that sense. What has worked really well for me in the last 3-4 years is try not to sell, which basically means when I go and meet a new client, I spend the first 15-20 minutes not selling at all, which basically means that I am talking to the client, making the client comfortable with what we do as an organization and what I do as an individual and what I feel is my perspective of the world. And I try to understand his perspective of what he's doing in the organization and where is he heading, where is the organization heading, what he thinks about general things in the world. So once you have that kind of a rapport going on with the client, it becomes more likely that the client will open up and share his problems with you. So the first step is to establish a good rapport with the client, to get the client talking about his own life and his own journey. Once that happens, it's likely that the client will actually open up and tell the problems of his company as well. Once you know the problems that they are facing on day-to-day basis, then you can define your pitch and pitch a solution to the problems that they are facing. So let's look at both of those school of thoughts. The first school of thought is that you go to a client, open up your nice presentation, open out your laptop, you're there in your nice business suit, you're pitching to the client, telling them that, hey, we are a great organization, we work with these partners, and this is what we can do for you. The client might love it. The client might be really happy to see you there and really happy to see your options and solutions. But it might also happen that the client has no real use case of the solution and they might not get back to you with a more welcoming answer or actually an order in hand. The other school of thought is that you don't pitch. You go to the client, you understand the client, you understand the pain points that they are suffering as a business, and then you pitch a solution that actually solves those pain points. In that case, it's almost always likely that the client will either come to you with an order right away, or they'll take the sweet time, float the idea within the organization, and then give you an order eventually. So that's something that has really worked well with us.